Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Norzila Makdali. I'm 44 years old and a government servant. My weight is 57 kilos and 152 centimeter height.
Hi, my name is Shazana Shafi. I am 44 years old and I'm an engineer in Intel. I weigh around 60 kilos and is around 152 centimeters tall.
Alright, for me, a balanced diet covers all the essential food groups that focus more on portion control, plus the minerals and vitamins that needed in our body.
What do I understand about balanced diet? You're asking, right? So, to me, a balanced diet includes all the different types of food like protein, carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, right, minerals. We have to include that in the right proportion, and usually it's best to follow the food pyramid that we have. So we don't take any food at an excessive portion. The best rule is to make sure that you eat anything in moderate, right?
I actually take a breakfast with 2 slices of wholemeal bread with soft margarine, a hot chocolate milk, and some fruits. At lunchtime, I will have 1 cup of rice with vegetable soup, grilled fish, and fruits. When it comes to afternoon tea, just take 2 pieces of Malay traditional kueh and a hot tea. At dinner, I will take mihun with vegetable soups, with shredded chicken, and a plain water with lemon.
My meal plan. Okay. So usually in the morning, I'll take some cereal, bread, something a bit heavy so that it will last me till lunch, right? And then around lunchtime, I'll take some rice, some protein, either fish or chicken, and lots of vegetables. I usually take fruits before I take my main meals, and that will help with my digestion. So, as for dinner, I usually take something light because I do not want to sleep with a full stomach. So I usually take either noodles or just some around 2 pieces of breads.
Maintaining diet is not too easy or not also difficult. Me myself make enriched of fibers, which is I get from vegetables, fruits, beans, and nuts. I also try to take my breakfast every day because by skipping the breakfast, it will affect our healthy. To maintain my healthy body, I will make sure that I drink amounts of water daily. I also try to follow the campaign of known as Suku Suku Separuh or called quarter half. I also try to manage my stress by having an exercise, such as brisk walk or slow walk around my home. This is which is help me to manage my extra calories.
To maintain a balanced diet is not easy. As we grow older, our metabolism is not so good, right? So we have to make sure that we maintain a really balanced diet and follow and make sure that we eat the food portion accordingly. I seldom snack, but if I do, I'll try to just either take some fruits or some biscuits. And if I need some extra like vitamin C's, I usually take either more oranges or hot lemon water, right? And or if that is not sufficient, I'll take some vitamins. So I think I hope that answers all your questions about maintaining a balanced diet. It's not easy, but we have to be disciplined in order to do that, right? And make sure that we take all the following groups of food in moderate portion and not just focus on increasing protein and not have any carbohydrates. Even in Islam, we have to take anything or do anything moderately, not excessively. So inshallah, hopefully whatever that I have shared is enough, right, and is sufficient, and I hope that everyone will try to maintain a balanced diet and eat moderately. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.